valves was really sloppy in the maybe 5,000 Ks. Nothing. What I've done is I've pressed the guide in. So I'll just show you how, I'll run through that, show you how just the cup style is good, and they're really good to why they were so worn so quickly. The light, show you what's going on here. Well, hopefully you can see. So what I did, and just to make it easy to get in, that one was okay. Drive the ute again. And going on here. So they'll just, they jump in. What I had to do is just make up fits in there, no problem. So it's not going to be, and the other springs I've got. So these springs are, so when it's up, it's aspirated, but when you've got to blow up that eighths area, I'll grab the valve. So there's constant pressure on that valve right in there. I'm going to have to, I'll 350 pound spring to get about 150. So you double the seat pressure, double the spring pressure basically. Oil mix, obviously turn that up the other way. Put the collet and retainers back on, confuse which bit's the collet and which bit's the retainer, but anyway. And quickly check it, because I don't do it. So that's what we'll do today. Paint, and I want to mock it up, set it up better because I've been taking bits into town.